with respect to Kalabhavan, I'm very happy to inform the villagers of Sankwal and Upasnagar in particular that I have been informed very definitely by GSIDC that the work has started at Kalabhavan. In fact, they have been very specifically told me that the cleaning work has started, and by the end of this week the engineers of the consultant will come down and the work will start in full swing. This is a project that I have struggled to get started, and it was for this very reason that I brought our ex Chief Minister Shri Parrikar ji, I brought Shri Mandrekar, I brought the Honorable Minister Shri Govind Gaude, all the ministers to the site, and they too wanted that the work should start, but there were some obstacles, and I'm very happy that now all the obstacles have been cleared and the work will go on in full swing, and very soon the villagers of Sankwal will